Okay, so Mr. Yogendra, how are you?
Yeah,
Hello.
I'm fine. Thank you for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I'm good too. Thanks for asking you too.
Where are
So,
you from?
I'm from UP. Let's begin our conversation. Briefly, we will talk one by one. Okay, we will have our conversation one by one. So, now please
Okay.
introduce yourself because we are meeting for the first time.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for giving me such opportunity. So, I'm Yogandra Kumar Yadav. I'm from Uttar Pradesh, Badauni district, which is a very small district in Uttar Pradesh. I did BCA,
Mhm.
and my hobbies are reading books, talking with strangers, and exploring new things. That is my introduction, short introduction. If you want
Good,
to.
good to hear that. Good to hear that. Now it's my turn. So, I'm Vaibhav Dwivedi. I'm also from UP, but my district is Barabanki. And currently, I'm
Okay.
staying in Lucknow. Here, I'm working in a hostel as a hostel warden. And talking about my educational qualification, I have done MCOM in 2020. And my hobbies are listening to music, playing harmonium, talking with people. Yeah, that's all about me. And one more thing, let me add here. That is my YouTube. I started it
Yeah,
before 3 months, and it's been good. So yeah, that's all about me.
yeah, I also have a channel. And where I
Okay,
have around 450,000 subscribers.
good.
4,000.
Congratulations.
Yeah. So just that's why I want to talk to you actually, so that we can upload on channel and grow.
Oh, that's good. How
And
many
it will
subscribers?
also
Could
provide
you
us.
repeat? Okay. Could you repeat once again your subscriber count? How many are
Yeah,
they?
4,500.
4,500. Wow, wow, wow. Congratulations. Wow, that's good.
So
Okay, go ahead. You were saying something.
yeah, okay. So I could not able to hear you properly when you were telling about your education. So can you repeat it again?
Why not? I have done MCOM, Master of Commerce.
M.Com. Okay, okay, okay. So what are you doing now these days?
These days, I'm working in a hostel as a hostel warden and working on my
Okay.
communication skills, simultaneously running my YouTube channel. So I devote some time there as well. Yes, I do that. And
So how long have you been learning language, this language English?
I have been learning English for more than a year. It's been approximately 15 or 16 months I've been learning. But in between, I took a short gap for approximately 5 months.
Okay.
Uh, and that's all the times I was consistent, and I am consistent. I want to be consistent for a long time because I want to
Okay.
polish my
So
communication skills.
okay. So I would like to ask what do you do for your better communication, especially to improve your English.
So thing is that I try to watch all the things in English language. I watch short stories. I watch some very little clips in English language. So whatever I find in English language, I try to watch it. That's how I get it. And sometimes I do shadowing when I find that this particular person is speaking in English language. So I try to speak from my side. I repeat that the same thing. Hmm. Okay, so did you get my point? What are I saying?
Sorry.
I think you couldn't hear whatever I said.
Yeah, yeah. Tell
I
me
think
whatever you said.
whatever I said you couldn't hear. You did not hear what I was saying.
Yeah, yeah.